Hi everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about the dictionary. In our service now, we are ready to enter the dictionary. So dictionary is very important in our service now. So what is the main use case of the dictionary and is it table or not? Everything I'm ready to discuss about the dictionary topic, right? Okay. First of all, what is meant by dictionary? So the dictionary is a table, so called as a dictionary entry. So what we are right to call that? So dictionary in our service name, we are right to call as a dictionary entry. And that system name is a sys underscore so dictionary. You can see here. So we can go for the sys underscore dictionary. So this is the backend name of that table. Means nothing but it is a table name, and that contains the details for each table and the definition for every column on each table in an instance. So what is the meaning of these lines? So simple thing, for example, each and every entry in our service now, if we are ready to just enter any kind of the information, everything is right to store in a tables. Is it right or not? So definitely it is a right, because service now is a build up of a all tables. So in the tables, rows and columns are there. Okay, so each and every information will store in a particular table. Okay, so it is that the table is, for example, I want to write some type of the column. I want to create some kind of the details and everything. Where it will store means it will store in a sys underscore dictionary table. Okay, so each row in the system dictionary represents either a table or a column. So in one of the tables, for example, I want to write a one information. I want to change the property of that particular information. For example, I created one field. Just I will show that information. So in my particular personal developer instance, so this is the entries. For example, I want to create a new. So I want to write a new dictionary entry. How to write it? Just I will show. First of all, you can select the table. What kind of the table it is, and see, for example, I want to change that some of the table name incident. For example, I taken as a very simple thing. So incident. Okay. So this is a table name, and what kind of the type of the table? So what kind of the changes we need to just create it? I want that field classes are there now. I want to write the different type of things are there. So if you want to write the label name or something every, so different, for example, due date or field name or date or time, everything. So we need to write some kind of the name of the particular table, and we are ready to save it. Just like I'm ready to save it. I want to take as a, for example, choice. So see here. So the type I taken, the column name also that it is asking. So I want to define particular column. For example, I want to define one column in a particular incident table. So here that is a so demo field. I'm ready to just create it, and the name is also automatically it will ready to populate, because so the service now is ready to creating that backend name. So user defined field name or table name means automatically it will giving as a prefix is a u. So u underscore demo. Okay, if I'm ready to give a maximum length, how much? For example, 40 I given. So simple. So these are the things are there. So I taken as a choice list, and choice list specification, if I want to take as a drop down list with none. So drop down list with a without, none, or with none, or suggestion, anything you want to just select it. Okay, so then everything is fine. Then I don't want to use any kind of other choices. Simply I created demo column name, and with a label name is a demo, right? So simply I'm ready to submit. I'm ready to submit this value in an incident table. The demo is a one column, is right. I want to check that in incident table, incident dot list. So this is a shortcut method to get the all kind of the incidents. So in a table, so how many records are there? All records will present with a dot list. That too, if you type capital list means automatically it will give into a another tab. So it will open it. So okay, I want to create the new. So I want to see the new. So whether it is just looking or not, I want to see the demo field came or not, just we can check it where it will be. So yeah, got it. So demo. So what does it means? This demo is appearing in a incident table, but I created in a dictionary entry. What is the meaning of this particular reason? Means if I ready to create any kind of the field or any name, any entry, so each and everything will ready to store in a particular dictionary entry table. See, that's why. So the system dictionary provides options for the administrator to modify tables and fields, so which in turn define list and forms. So main use case is that, for example, who is ready to create that particular dictionary table, who is ready to modify, or who is ready to just create the particular field or tables. The administrator is a one of the person to create each and every table and each and every field. So reason behind of it. So the administrator knows that the entire service now, he is a whole and sole boss of the service now instance. So that's why, so he can able to write to create the tables, he can able to write to create the fields and modifying the type of the fields and tables and everything. So that is a main use case of the particular dictionary entry. Okay, so no other people can use that dictionary entry, only administrator, those who have the roles of the administration, so that people can able to use this one. And note, what's a note means? Use a caution when changing system dictionary records, because changes can have a high impact on functionality. Is it right or not? So this is 100% I'm ready to agree with that, because see, this sentence can explain about that. For example, the administrator can knows that the demo is a field name is a choice field, right? If someone has authority and he is right to change, he is not a administrator, but so initially he has some authentication, or he is right to create change it. So it is a big impact whole and soul data. For example, so other people can ready to change the demo field is not a choice if they created as a date field or something. Automatically what will happen, already records are available, so automatically it will affect the previous records, and as well as the business is also highly impacting on the particular change. So that's why sometimes it can ready to lose their information also. So that is a major instance. That's why administrator is having the major and major roles, and that's why administrator is only one person can change the dictionary entry, creating the dictionary entry or changing of the values in the dictionaries. So he is the person. So how it should be, just now what I shown, that this is the list view of the dictionary entries. When I'm ready to create that dictionary entries, so these are all our dictionary entries, they already written. Okay, so number of see, oh, I think 12 1,26,594 entries are there. See that these many records are created, each and everything, each and every column, each and every value is right to store in a particular dictionary entry table, irrespective of that any table. So all tables, columns, and field names, everything it will store in here, right? So, and how it should be, the form is, it should be like this. Just now I shown just now. So table and type. Okay, is that same way? If I'm right to create one dictionary entry, I want to change it. So previously, just now what I shown, how to create it dictionary entry, but I want to modify it. So I am the administrator. I want to modify it. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. See, I want to change the description is a another one. So simple. I want to just, for example, here only just demo only I want to take it. So demo already created with a proper, while going to the typing into the sys underscore dictionary dot list. In that area, just I created. But now I want to change this property. So right click on it and configure dictionary. I want to change it. See that again, dictionary entry table, it has to open, and the form has to open. I want to change this value. For example, I want to change, this is not a date field, I want to just create it, maybe if possible date. So I want to create it like this. So simply I want to update. Is it ready to update or not? I want to check. So when I click that update, automatically again one form has to open. So where it will be the demo? Just I will check it once. Refresh it. Okay. So but it is not looking. So really it was changed or not, I want to check. Configure dictionary. Yeah. So but it was changed. See, it is a type is a become as a date. Okay, so the demo, the type is a date, it was changed. And here there is a none they kept, and again I want to update it, I want to check it once. Okay, see, so why previously it is not appeared? Because of the reason I kept the none. So the choice they kept as a none, that's why it is not shown. So now you can see here that 100% it is a demo is a date field. So we are right to select the date or something, so it can appear the date. So I want to change. So this is administrator. Okay, I'll check one more thing. For example, every time if I'm ready to go and ready to right click on it, then how it should be? Configure dictionary is there now. This is administrator. For example, I want to go with a another record, another user. For example, I'm a system administrator. I want to go for the another user. So impersonating, so this is a one way to impersonate other user. For example, I'm going to with a user, ITIL user. Just simply I want to impersonate. So when I go to the impersonation view, then who's this area? So this area, this user name is a ITIL user. So he is a ITIL. Okay, so then we can go and check it once. Incident dot capital FORM. So I want to create a new incident. So shortcut is dot capital FORM. So if I ready to write capital, so uppercase letters means automatically it will give a another tab. This is a good practice to make it as a records and a water maybe. So it is a good practice. So here the demo now. Okay, once you check it, I want to change the demo is not a so date field, I want to change it. So is it possible to get that configuration? No. Every time when I'm right to just right click it, so another things are coming, so it is not showing any kind of the details. See, I don't want to just change anything. So where it will be, that is a configure dictionary is not appearing because so ITIL user is not having administration, so administrator roles. So that is the reason the administrator can try to create or change anything on the field by changing of a dictionary entry. So that is the main use cases. Okay. Yes, where it will be the dictionary field. 1 minute. Yeah, so that is the reason we observed that this is a dictionary entry. Okay, so thank you for watching.